Today, I am going to make passion fruit and orange mojito. This is a non-alcoholic drink. You know, the country where I am now, we don't have alcohol at all. So, all the drinks that I'm making, these are all non-alcoholic and healthy. Okay? For my drinks today, I am going to use just club soda water. I will be using just a couple of stevia drops rather than using sugar. You can use whatever you want. Honey's fine as well. I have some lime and fresh mint leaves here, plus our orange and our passion fruit. To start, let's cut some of our lime and just put it into your container. And then just add like 6 to 10 leaves of mint. That's it. And just muddle them all together. Not that much, not that hard. So just enough to, yeah, that's good. And then we are going to add, and then I'm just going to add just a few drops of my stevia sweetener. Just a few drops is enough. And then I'm going to squeeze my orange. You can always use this manually, just squeeze it there, but I prefer to use this one, the juicer, because it gives me all the juices that I need. I think it's good. So I'm using this. You can use it manually, guys. No need to use this if you don't have it. So here is my orange juice, fresh orange juice, just put it there. And then just add your ice in it. I normally just use my hands and putting ice, but this time I'm going to use this. So that's enough. And then now we just need our soda water. Then just where is my? Then just cut your passion fruit.
Now.
And then just add your passion fruit into the mixture. Yeah, look at that. It looks so good. Put them all. Oops. Mix it. And there you go. Just that's it. And use your it. That's it, guys. This is my orange passion fruit mojito. Yeah, and just mix it. And there you go, guys. This is our passion fruit and orange mojito. There you go, guys. Let's try it now.